Here's how to download and play Genshin Impact on your PC or laptop. Open your browser and go to hoyoverse.com. Scroll down to the Products section and click Genshin Impact. Click the green floating button to go to the download page and select PC. The file that downloads is not the full game. It is the HoYoPlay launcher, which is HoYoverse's official launcher that manages the actual game download. Run the installer, accept the terms, and click Install. Once HoYoPlay opens, click Get Game next to Genshin Impact. Here, you can change the installation location. Genshin Impact is a large game and will grow larger with updates, so make sure you are installing to a drive with at least 50 gigabytes of free space. Click Install and wait for the full download to complete. This is the most important thing to know. Genshin requires a HoYoverse account to play. If you do not have one, create it for free at account.hoyoverse.com before launching the game. You can also link your existing account from PlayStation or mobile if you want to continue on the same progress. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.